Here's a tasty tip using some falafels and hummus. These are my falafel lettuce cups. Great as a snack, as a starter, or a lunchbox filler. Now I'm using these herb falafels. They've got a lovely fresh flavour full of parsley, coriander, mint and dill. And I'm going to fry them up because you get the best results. Crispy on the outside and still lovely and fluffy in the centre. So a little oil in a fry pan, just over a medium heat. And then we're going to add our cute little falafels. They take no time at all to heat up. These are going to take about 90 seconds per side. And while they're warming up, let's get onto our little lettuce cups. I'm just using baby cos and I've just trimmed it down. And to that, I'm going to add a spoonful of creamy hummus. This hummus is made the traditional way, so chickpeas, tahini, and some garlic. So a spoonful of the creamy hummus onto each lettuce cup, just like this. And just make sure you don't overfill it because you want to pick up these lettuce cups and eat it with ease. All right, let's have a look at the falafels. We'll just quickly turn the falafels over. And by the time I turn the last one, they'll be ready to come out of the pan. Look at that, instantly crispy and that lovely deep dark colour. All right, let's take them out of the pan. And I've just got a plate with some paper towel just to drain the excess oil away. I like to serve these while they're still lovely and warm. So we'll just fill each lettuce cup with our falafels. And I love this because of the contrast in texture. You've got creamy hummus, crispy lettuce cups, and fluffy falafels. It's just the perfect combination. And how good does that look? But they're going to look even better because I've got some pickled cabbage here, just a small amount of that on each. You could also use some pickled radish, some finely chopped onion if you like. Some red onion would look great and you could pickle that. There's many ways of serving this lovely little delight. Oh, so happy with that. It takes moments to make and I want to show you inside these how delicious they are. Just break that in half. Look at that vibrant green colour. That served with a little of that hummus. Just the perfect combination. Yum.